Hello, this is Alex. Welcome back to my channel where we like to create illustrations, and currently we have a 30-day draw with me challenge, or just create a habit with me. For me it's a draw with me challenge. I've been doing this for the past 21 days now. They haven't been consecutive. I really wanted to do that, but sometimes it was just not possible. So instead of getting myself frustrated, I decided I will skip the days I wasn't able to do and just carry on, and that's it, because that's life and it's not always perfect and it's not always gonna work as you want to. So let's start off with some inspiring action, I guess. Maybe you are trying to do something, you're trying to follow a challenge, maybe a workout challenge or whatever, and maybe you skipped a day and you feel demotivated and you wanna give up. Don't give up. Carry on. It's okay. Life happens. Sometimes it's just not possible and no one's gonna care. And if someone's gonna be like, oh, you skipped a day, who cares? Okay, so yeah, let's get that out of the way. Today we have a cute illustration, and I was drawing this and my friend was asking me, how do I come up with ideas for illustrations, because sometimes I'll just drop the most random illustration, like this one. This is something that I don't usually draw. I'm drawing baguettes. And this all started from a sticker sheet idea I had. I still haven't done it, but I think I'm gonna add these to the sticker sheet. But this got me thinking, how about I'll do a video on how you get your creativity as an artist, or how do I get it as an artist. Maybe it inspires someone, maybe it helps someone take some pressure off, because I feel like a lot of the times as creatives we think we need to get our creativity in some sort of a specific way, which is so not true. You don't have to follow a specific set of tasks to be creative, to do something creative and to have ideas. So I'm gonna walk you through a bit on my process and how do I get to an idea. So, as I said, this whole illustration started from a sticker sheet idea about pastry and baking goods I had. Why did I have this idea? Well, because I am a really big lover of carbs and everything bakery related. I love pastry, I love everything salty, savory, sweet, I love it. And I thought, okay, since I'm in this phase where I create cute characters, how about I would create some, I don't know, funny croissants or some cute talking muffins, I don't know. And then I took a break and I had to go to the store to get me some food. It was lunchtime and I saw these baguettes in the bread section, and immediately I was like, these would look nice. This would look fun. Like, imagine 3 baguettes. Obviously one of them is French, maybe all 3 of them are French because, well, baguette. And I just started playing with this idea, how would this look like 3 friends or 3 brothers or sisters, just all sitting, being in a bunch and just being like, okay, each having their own reaction to the day. So this kind of came together and I was like, yeah, okay, I'll give that a try. So this whole illustration came to be like that, from me sitting on the bread aisle and looking at some baguettes. And this whole process, it wasn't always as easy, because these types of ideas, I would always have these types of ideas. Like, I would see something and immediately think, oh, this would make a cute character, or this would make a funny pun, or whatever. But in the beginning, I didn't really trust that voice, and I was like, I would dismiss it and be like, no, it's fine. We'll stick to what we know how to do. And that's good in the beginning. That's really nice. It's a good place to be. But there to explore those crazy ideas, because usually from those ideas that seem like, yeah, this is what? These are going to be your best performing ideas. And I think it is like this because they are coming straight from that place, that soul place, you know? So a tip would be to trust your crazy ideas and at least follow them and see how where do they go, and follow them around, play with them. They don't have to be a finished product, they don't have to be a finished article or whatever you are working on, but just be curious. And I think curiosity is and the biggest thing that helped me grow as an artist, as an illustrator. Because if I didn't have this curiosity, I think I would just be stuck in the same painting t-shirts that I was starting to really dislike. But curiosity helped me go forward to watercolors, to trying digital drawing, which changed everything for me in the lines of my work. So listen to that curiosity and explore it and try and follow it, at least just a tiny bit. Another way you could explore this creativity, or at least find ways to find ideas, would be to just go on Pinterest, good old Pinterest, and just search whatever type of art you're interested in, or your topic that you're interested in, and some stuff will appear. And then just start saving whatever speaks to you, like, and you know what I mean. Those things that you see and immediately are like, yes, I love this. Save those, save them in a board, save them somewhere, save the images in a folder. Just the idea is to create some sort of a bunch of photos, links, and all that stuff. After you do that for a while, you can revisit that place, revisit the Pinterest board, revisit the folder, the group, whatever, and you'll start to see an emerging pattern. Maybe it's some type of writing if you're a writer, maybe it's some sort of colors or textures, or you'll see some things that pop off and some things that are more visible. And you can start from there, because these things are telling you that this is something you would like to explore. So start from there, explore from there. Another way you could grow your creativity and you can find your creativity would be to take a piece of paper, good old piece of paper and pen, and do a big brain dump of ideas. I think a lot of the times we get uncreative because we have way too many ideas all running in our head at the same time, and it's hard to create everything all at once. No, we don't do that. So by writing them down, you get to see them all laid out. Your brain gets to have a break from all those ideas, And then you can actually start reading through them and see what speaks to you the most. Because you might realize that after you wrote them all, a lot of them don't even interest you that much. But because they're stuck in your head, you tend to think like, oh, I need to do this. I need to do this. So explore that and see if it helps. And another way to explore and to cultivate your creativity would be to actually not try to be creative. And what do I mean by that? Rest and just do something else entirely. I think some of the best ideas that I had were when I wasn't trying to get creative. Or when I was, for example, going to get lunch, cleaning my home, organizing my home, just taking a walk in the park, meeting with my friends. Grab a friend if you enjoy walking around the city and just talk about stuff. Do that. It will really help you not only grow that friendship, but also grow your creativity and just grow your, I think, creative thinking altogether. As you can see now, I'm starting to add some finishing touches to this little bunch of baguettes, and I wanted to add a background. It's going to be pink, and I think it's just a fun illustration. I really had fun with this. It really made me smile, and this goes to show how important it is to follow your creative inspiration, follow your ideas, allow yourself to rest. Because allowing yourself to rest, as I said, will lead to being more creative. It's an obvious thing, but it's not always that obvious, especially if you're working on a deadline. I know how impossible it sounds to just stop and not think about that thing, but trust me, it will really help you. Whenever we are stuck in that, oh, I need to do this, oh, I need to do this mode, I think our mind, it's too focused on doing the, oh, I need to do this, rather than, oh, let's think of ways that I can actually do this. So we spend way more time in the I need to do this rather than actually figuring creative ways and just exploring the creativity. I hope this all makes sense. We are getting to the end, and I wanna thank you so much again for allowing me to come here every day and talk about my journey as an artist. And if it's something that's interesting to you, I would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button. And until next time, bye!